Welcome to our show Crick G. This is the part 2 of our previous video. In this video, we'll be showing you all the exercises a sports person can do in gymnasium to gain strength, muscle power, endurance and agility. Please watch the video till end so that you can learn all the exercises very carefully. We will recommend that these exercises should be performed under the guidance of a coach or trainee. So today we have with us Vineet Pawar, who has played for India in under 19 and represented Uttar Pradesh in Ranji Trophy and CK Naidu Trophy. In the last video, Vineet told us that a sports person should practice compound movements. You can see in this exercise, Vineet is using more than 3 muscle groups at the same time. First calf muscles, second his thighs, then core and his shoulder strength. This also improves agility, balancing and strength. So guys, in this video, all the exercises which Vineet will be performing are known as compound movements. And compound movements help a sports person to improve the strength and the coordination of body and mind. All the pulling exercises are very important to train your back muscles and core strength. Mostly all these exercises use your explosive strength. In this video you will see Vineet is jumping on a high rack. He uses his explosive strength of thigh muscles and calf muscles. We can perform different type of squats. Here Vineet is doing squats with holding the rod in the front, and this improves your balance, the lower back strength and obviously your thighs and calves, which is very important for a fast bowler or a batsman or any sports person, because your lower back generates all the explosive power. These exercises are not as easy as they look. So to learn these exercises, try them with free weights, and to learn the form perfectly, you can use only rod or lightweight dumbbells. If you can't lift up your own weight, you are still lacking behind. So a sports person should perform chin-ups, pull-ups every day. The first exercise should be the chin-ups or pull-ups. Try to tap all the muscle groups on the same day. 3-day gymming per week is more than enough for a sports person. One should learn proper form for doing a deadlift, and the moment which Vineet is performing is really a tough moment. So first you should learn how to do a deadlift, and there are different forms of doing a deadlift: stiff leg deadlifts, bend knee deadlifts, and some variations like snatches with deadlifts and much more. Now in this exercise you will notice that what's the difference between a bodybuilder and a sports person. A bodybuilder performs this exercise only to grow his shoulder muscles, but here Vineet uses his explosive power with his strength of his legs and core and his shoulders. Doing a plank is the best exercise to train your core. You don't need to do any other exercise if you do planks each day. We should perform freehand exercises like push-ups, planks, chin-ups, pull-ups every day. Feel free to talk with me on our Instagram handle CrickGuneet we'll be resolving all your queries. We are ready to give you all the advices, and you can contact Vineet through our Instagram handle CricGuneet. I hope you are liking this video. We will be coming with more and more videos again. So to get notified, press the notification bell, subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. We will be coming with more videos of cricketers, budding talents and sports persons. Follow our Instagram handle CricGuneet for more information and updates.